Hey y'all, this your boy C-Day. Shout out to Sports Arguments for the new YouTube page. I'm just doing my first block to comment on so Chris Paul get a pass. My answer to that question is hell no, he don't deserve a pass. Melo don't get one. Howard don't get one. People don't give KD one. Chris Paul don't deserve one. He have yet to even make it out the second round of the playoffs. He's a superstar, so I'll hold him to a high standard. They had the team to beat the Thunder this year. They had the big man that was better than the Thunder. They matched up in every department besides the small forward with Kevin Durant. There was no excuses of why the Clippers did not pull this series off. As much as I root for Kevin Durant wanted to win his first ring, want Westbrook to win, Chris Paul, this on him. Honest to me, it's on him. Blake Griffin going to superstar his own right, but this is on Chris Paul. He don't get a pass from me. I mean, he can get one for everybody else in the group, but he don't deserve a pass. He made it to the Clippers to change the culture, which they have done. They have been probably the most successful 3 years in their franchise history. I mean, Donald Sterling with his comments, that was a huge distraction. They had a battle. I understand that. But they had a chance to win this series. And until Chris Paul can at least get to the conference finals, he going to have a lot more doubters. Like Skip doubting him. Now, he going to have a lot more doubters. And honestly, I say rightfully so because he a superstar. I mean, we doubt Melo now. And Melo at least made it to a conference finals. Dwight Howard at least made it to the NBA finals. Kevin Durant at least made it to the NBA finals. Chris Paul haven't got a second round. And I only been to the second round 3 times. So he is 0 for 3 now. So I don't know about y'all, but 2 of those 3 times, his team was better in my opinion. But it didn't pan out that way. So he got to answer the bell now. He got to take the criticism that's going to come with him. Because he about to get a lot of criticism. He signed a 5-year extension to stay there at the Clippers. So he got to get the job done. I mean, Blake Griffin going to a star, he going to be in the same boat after a while. Because he don't spend his game. So, but this is on Chris Paul. I mean, y'all can agree, disagree, comment in the group. Shout out to New Sports Lines too. Shout out to Allen for putting me in the group. I mean, still sports arguments. I mean, this is for up to debate. I hope my basketball peoples, Robert and Brian, can see this blog and sign in on my thoughts on Chris Paul, but he gets no pass. And peace.